Have you ever wondered what the most trending fabric fashion ideas are across different countries? Fashion is more than just what we wear. It's a reflection of culture, creativity, and craftsmanship. From Africa's bold prints to Japan's minimalist designs, and from Europe's sustainable fabrics to America's love for handmade crochet, every region has something unique to offer. Let's explore the trending fabrics that define today's global style, and then learn how to properly care for one of the most loved handmade crafts, crochet. Let's begin in Africa, a continent where fabrics speak louder than words. The vibrant Ankara and kente prints dominate the fashion scene, each pattern telling a story of heritage and pride. Ankara is known for its bold colors and geometric designs, often used to create dresses, skirts, and even men's shirts. Meanwhile, kente, originating from Ghana, is a fabric of royalty, woven with meaning and tradition. These fabrics have gone global, inspiring designers in Europe and America to mix African prints with modern silhouettes. The result? Fashion that is not only stylish, but deeply cultural. Now let's travel to India, where fabric fashion is a blend of art and history. India's famous for its luxurious silk, breathable cotton, and eco-friendly khadi. These materials have been the heart of Indian fashion for centuries. Today, we see Indian fabrics being reimagined in modern cuts. Saris turned into dresses, dupattas transformed into scarves, and traditional prints reworked into global fashion statements. The elegance of Banarasi silk with its gold threads and the delicacy of chikankari cotton embroidery make Indian fashion truly timeless. Each piece represents patience and skill, passed down through generations of artisans. Heading east to Japan, fashion meets precision and simplicity. Japanese designers focus on clean lines, neutral tones, and high-quality materials. One of Japan's most trending fabric techniques is shibori, an ancient method of tie-dyeing that produces mesmerizing patterns in indigo blue. Another rising trend is the use of linen and organic cotton, reflecting Japan's love for natural and sustainable living. The beauty of Japanese fashion lies in its minimalism, a quiet elegance that never goes out of style. In Europe, the focus has shifted towards sustainability and comfort. Fashion houses in Italy, France, and the UK are championing fabrics that are eco-friendly yet luxurious. Organic cotton, bamboo fabric, and recycled polyester are becoming the new standard. Italian designers in particular are known for their fine wool, cashmere, and velvet, fabrics that combine sophistication with warmth. French fashion, on the other hand, embraces the softness of silk and the structure of tweed. The European approach to fabric fashion highlights the idea that true luxury lies in quality and responsibility towards the environment. Moving to the United States, we find a fusion of all these global trends, but with an American twist. Denim, the fabric of freedom, continues to dominate casual fashion. Yet, beyond jeans, a new trend has emerged: crochet fashion. From New York to Los Angeles, crochet tops, dresses, handbags, and even swimwear are trending everywhere. Crochet represents creativity and individuality, giving fashion lovers a chance to wear something handmade, personal, and unique. It's part of the slow fashion movement, where people value craftsmanship and longevity over mass production. Now, let's talk about how to care for crochet, because every handmade piece deserves gentle care. Crochet items, whether made from cotton, wool, or synthetic yarn, are delicate and can easily lose shape if not handled properly. Start by hand washing your crochet pieces in cool or lukewarm water using a mild soap or detergent. Avoid hot water as it can shrink or stretch the yarn. Instead of scrubbing, gently press the fabric with your hands to remove dirt. Once clean, never twist or wring your crochet. That can damage the stitches. Use a towel to absorb excess water, and then lay the item flat on a clean surface to dry. Hanging it may cause stretching or misshaping. When storing your crochet, keep it in a dry, airy space. Avoid folding it tightly or stuffing it into drawers. If you can, store crochet items in breathable cotton bags instead of plastic ones. Plastic can trap moisture, leading to mold or a musty smell. Also, keep crochet away from direct sunlight, as this can fade its colors over time. For wool or cotton crochet pieces, you can give them a light steam press using a thin cloth between the iron and the crochet to protect the yarn. This helps maintain its softness and shape. If your crochet piece has embellishments like beads or lace, handle them carefully while washing or pressing. Crochet fashion is more than just a trend. It's an expression of patience, skill, and love. Each loop and knot is made by hand, creating a piece of art that no machine can truly replicate. That's what makes it so special. From the vivid patterns of Africa to the silky grace of India, the refined minimalism of Japan, the sustainable luxury of Europe, and the creative craftsmanship of America, fabric fashion connects the world through art and beauty. And at the heart of it all, crochet stands out as a timeless reminder that fashion made with love will always remain in style. Whether you're wearing bold Ankara, soft silk, or a cozy crochet top, remember, the real beauty of fashion lies in how it makes you feel confident, connected, and creative. And when you care for your fabrics, especially crochet, you're preserving not just a garment, but a piece of history, culture, and artistry that will continue to inspire for years to come.